Friends, hello everyone. I am glad to welcome you on our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can make a photo collage on your iPhone without the help of any extraneous applications. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments after watching this video. So, let us get started with you. And first of all, please open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. And then in the bottom right corner, click on the Gallery section. Now in the search box, type the word photo. Then select this shortcut and click on Add. Once the shortcut is added, go to the Shortcuts bar in the bottom left corner. Click on your newly created photo shortcut. And now select the photos you would like to add to your shortcut. After that, click on Done in the upper right corner. Wait literally a few seconds for this collage to be created. And as you can see, the collage was created very quickly. Next, in the bottom left corner, click on the Share sign. And this is where you can send this collage to some of your friends. You can also send it to some messenger or some of the social networks. And you can also save it to your gallery by clicking Save Image. And now, to make sure this collage is saved to the gallery, go to your iPhone's gallery, open it up, and as you can see, the collage has been successfully saved to it. Friends, this is the way you can easily make photo collage on your iPhone for free and without the help of any extraneous apps. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Please put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.